Hey there, one of your assignments this week is to make a solfege key for Carol of the Bells. So on your own piece of paper, label it Carol of the Bells solfege key. Okay. In the music itself, there are several different parts. It has them labeled as Roman numerals, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For our purposes, 1 is soprano, 2 is alto, 3 is tenor, and 4 is bass. Most of the people in 2nd and 5th period will sing tenor or bass, and the people in 3rd, 6th, and 7th will sing soprano or alto. The first one I want you to draw, and I want everybody to draw all of these because it won't hurt you to practice and you might switch parts. So draw a staff, 5 lines. Okay, and let's put a treble clef on this one. This key, the key that Carol of the Bells is in, has 2 flats in the key signature. There's one on the 3rd line, and there's one in the top space. Okay, and so the notes that you need, and this first one that we're doing, this is for part 1, part 2, and part 3. So sopranos, altos, and tenors will all use this clef. All right, and here are the notes that you need. I'm going to start with La. Okay, here's La. All right, and then I'm going to work my way up. T, Do, and you see I just alternated line, space, line, space, line, space. Re, mi, fa, so, la. Okay, and then our soprano and alto parts actually need a couple of other notes, and so they need to go the other way down here too. So they're going to go down. And if you work your way backwards, this is La again right here. And then if you go, what's right below La? So. Below that is Fa. Below that is Mi. So those are the notes you need for the soprano, alto, and tenor part. There are a couple of other weird ones that we'll go over later, but those are the main ones you need for right now. I didn't forget about the basses, so let's go down and do one for the bass clef. Draw another staff. Let's put a bass clef on it. And again, there are 2 flats in the key signature, but they're going to be in a different place in the bass clef. One is on B, so we got to put it down here on the 2nd line, and then one is on E, so it goes in this 3rd space. All right, the notes that the basses need, I'm actually going to start right here with Do, and then we're going to work our way all the way up to high Re. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in my notes, then I'll label them for you. And when I get up here and I need to extend one more, just draw a little line and then put the note there. Okay? And so this is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do, Re. And there's actually one other note at the very end of the song when the basses sing this really low note on the very last beat, and it's this one down here, and it's a La. And those are the notes that you need for Carol of the Bells. So just show us a picture of this, copy down of exactly this. If you just want to freeze the screen here, pause the screen and make sure yours looks the same. Oops, I forgot. This is part 4. That's the bass part. Okay, so it's one of your assignments this week is just to upload a picture of that. That's all you got to do. Good luck.